Hey, how's it going? It's Heather with Papers, Caffeine and Life. Grab your favorite drink, pull up a chair, get some cool paper, and let's get busy.
Welcome everyone to day one of Junk Journal July, hosted by Meg Journals and in collaboration with Get Messy Arts. Today, like I said, is day one. So our first prompt is going to be spark. So what do you think of when you think of spark? I kind of think like fireworks, sparkly things. Maybe it kind of reminds you of something, like sparks a memory. So that's kind of where I went. I kind of went both sides, like it sparked a memory, but then it also had fireworks because it was like, super exciting, an event kind of thing. So I'm going to work on this very first page, and all I've done so far, I have everything cut out, but all I've done so far is I stamped these little, I kind of think they're little flowers, but they're kind of I kind of think they're flowers, but they're kind of just little, like, kind of like fuzzy dot flower drawing things. So that's what I used to kind of decorate this page to begin with. And then, like I said, I have some things cut out. So what I thought I would do was create something that was movable, because I thought that would be a good idea. So I used this piece of paper, and when you fold it out, it actually has fireworks on it. So I thought that would kind of go along with the spark aspect of it. Let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see everything. All right, I think that's better. So it has fireworks on it, and stars and sparklers and ribbon and all kinds of fun things on it. So I thought this would be really cool. Now for this page, or for this side of the page, I'm not actually going to do anything, because this would be really cool if you wanted to mount photos or something on it. Like say you went to a 4th of July party, which we have coming up, and you took a whole bunch of pictures and you wanted to put pictures on it, and then on the back side you wanted to write, like, Aunt so-and-so did a cannonball in the pool and like splashed everyone, and soaked the dog, and the dog went running, and I don't know, the table tipped over and watermelon went flying. I'm not sure, but like you see where I'm going. You have the memory of 4th of July, and then on the back of it you write, what that memory was, what happened prior to or after. So that's what we're going to do. So I just took a 12 by 12 paper and cut it small enough that would fit on my paper. And then I folded it in fourths, and I rounded the corners, and then I just inked. So what you're going to see at the beginning is the white part. And when we glue it down, or we're not going to actually glue it down, we're going to put washi on it. So I have some sparkly metallic washi. We're just going to put that on it so we can fold it out and fold it up. You'll see. All right. So let's fold it down so we remember. Okay, it's going to go like this. All right. So I have 2 pieces of photo mount cardstock, and I don't know that you can actually see it, but it's kind of like a metallic-y blue in the paper. You might be able to see it just a little bit. It kind of has just a little bit of shimmer, and I just cut it down so it would fit inside the paper, and again I rounded the corners. So I think on the very first one I'm going to do this one. So we'll go ahead and glue that down. Now I'm not gluing it as a pocket or anything like that. You probably could, but that's not what I want to do for this page. So I'm just going to glue it straight down. And because this paper is just copy paper thickness, it'll make it just a little bit stronger. So like that. then we're going to skip one so you can write your memory. And of course you can use paper and put over top of this and add more memories on here. And then that one, it kind of just looks like mermaid scales. So that'll be cool. So we'll have 2 that has decoration on it and 2 that are plain white. All right. And then I did bring along some gems, but I'm not going to do that until the end, and we'll see where we'll place them. So now we can go ahead and tape this down. So let's see. We want it to go this way. That's why I was having an issue. We want it to go this way. So just figure out where you want it on your page. Make sure it's semi-even. So are you guys all doing Junk Journal July, or are you just here to like watch the videos and see what everyone's creating? And if you are doing it, is this your first year or second year, or multiple years? This is my second year if you're new. I did it last year and I really enjoyed it. And yep, I am just barely over. That's what I kind of thought. No problem, we'll just trim it. Alright. Alright, so you have that at the bottom, and it's see-through a little bit so you can see what's on the bottom, or like what's underneath on the paper. Then you fold it up, you'll see that little bit there, and then you can fold it out like this, and you can fold it back, and then you can fold it out like this, and you see it just folds over nicely, and then you have your whole paper to journal on. So there's that. And then I liked the phrase that I used at the beginning, spark a memory. So I just went ahead and on the back of some leftover paper, I just wrote with a Sharpie, and I'm just gonna do something like that. It doesn't have to be super perfect. I kind of want it to be a little wonky. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm trying to work on zooming in and out when I need to, but sometimes it's difficult to remember and then be like, oh, I'm off screen again. So we're just going to go ahead and glue this down, spark a memory. And if you like something different, or if you have a label, you can totally use whatever you have. Sometimes I like to just write things because it adds a little bit of a personal touch, and you can, you know, put it however you come up with it in your head. Okay, so spark a memory. I like that. I'll zoom back out again. All right, so that's how our page looks. Now we can go ahead and put some sparkles on it. So I think I want to do like 3 at the bottom of this. And I never trust the stickiness of the backing because I just don't think it sticks well. So I'm going to go ahead and use my tacky glue. And I'm going to kind of put it in the center, but I want it to go over the brown part and the white part also. Like I want it to overlap on both. So like that, which is cute. And then I think I want to just put like a couple random ones around the paper, just to give it a little extra something. So I'll just cut a couple and we'll glue them around. So I'll actually be doing, well, hopefully, I'll actually be uploading 2 videos today because I'm participating in Crafty Christmas in July 24 also. So I have this one that I'm going to do every day for 31 days, well, hopefully, and then Crafty Christmas in July. I haven't decided how many videos I'm going to do. It's definitely not going to be every day. But I think I want to do a few. I mean, ultimately I want to do more than one a week, but I'm not sure if that's going to be a little too ambitious for me. In all terms, it might be. But we'll see how it goes. I mean, worst case scenario, I do it like once a week. But I want to do some things that will help get like Christmas stash up. So when it comes time to start sending out Christmas cards and doing tags and things, you have some ready to go. So that's my plan. Definitely look for that video also. And I think I'm going to call this one done for day 1. I think this one turned out really cute, and it's super simple. I mean, there's not a lot to it, but I like the simplicity of it. And it goes, you know, with the theme of the journal, and I think it looks really, really pretty. And it has the sparkle. It has spots for your memories to go. It has some metallic-y aspects of it, and I just think it's an all-around cute page for this journal. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would appreciate if you did that. And I will see you guys in the Christmas video, and then I'll talk to you again tomorrow for day 2 of Junk Journal July. So till then, guys, bye.